Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to factory reset Google TV Streamer. So if you're interested, let's get started. So in this case, you might be wondering how to exactly reset your Google TV streamer here. Well, this one is fairly easy. So in this case, we'll be referring to the official webpage here, which is the support page from Google themselves, which describes us how to exactly reset your Google TV streamer. Now, if you want to do this via the actual device, you can go ahead and go to the top right of your TV screen here and just select all settings under your profile. Now, you want to go to system, then just choose factory reset. Now, this will initiate the whole process. Go ahead and just wait for the process to complete, but typically speaking, once it's actually started, it should be factory reset. Now, if you want to do this on the actual device, what you need to do is you want to look for a very small button at the back. So this is what it's going to look like. So this small button here. Now, what you need to do is you want to make sure that it's plugged in into the TV and actually powered on. Now, you want to press and hold this button for about like 10 to 12 seconds. So make sure to count the 10 or 12 full seconds here on the back of your device and it will start blinking yellow. Now, the LED light will turn a solid white here. So release the button, then the device should then reset. Now, in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.